Unveiling the power of praise. The super like explained. Hello, wonderful language learners and enthusiasts around the world. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind a phrase that you might have seen popping up across social media platforms and in casual conversations. We are talking about the phrase, super like. Stick around as we break down what it means, where you can see it, and how you can use it in your everyday English. Let's begin with where the term, super like, comes from. Traditionally, when you appreciate something someone says or does, you might give them a like, a term that has become universal thanks to social media. However, what if you want to show that you don't just like something, but you really like it? That's where super like comes into play. It's a term that gained popularity through platforms like Tinder, where a super like is a way to show a higher level of interest than a standard like. So, what does super like mean in everyday language? It's used to express a strong approval or a more intense form of liking something. When you super like something, you're essentially saying it stands out to you in a significant way. It's a thumbs up, but with much more enthusiasm. Now, how do you use super like in a sentence? Here are a few examples. I super like your new profile picture. You look amazing. This new book I'm reading? I super like it. It's thrilling from start to finish. I super like the idea of going on a road trip this weekend. Let's do it. Notice that when used in sentences, super like is often highlighted to emphasize the strength of feeling towards the subject. There are also other ways to express this sentiment. For example, you might hear, I absolutely love your work. I'm a huge fan of this movie. I highly recommend trying this dish. It's outstanding. These expressions convey a similar level of enthusiasm and are good alternatives to super like. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of the phrase, super like, and how you can use it to express your excitement and approval in English. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about expressing your emotions and connecting with others. So go ahead, give someone or something a super like today and see how it brightens their day. Keep learning, keep practicing, and until next time, super like your way through English.